With each of our AFL RJ45 outlets, you'll also have a cap that's used when terminating with a multi-tool or a 110 tool, a cap for toolless termination and a cable tie. The first step to prepare the cable for termination is to remove at least 40mm of the outer sheath. Leaving about 10mm in place, remove the metallic sheath. Pull the metallic sheath back over the cable and then wrap the earth wire neatly around the cable. Remove the plastic sheath to expose the pairs. Bend the pairs away from the central separator and then with a simple pair of side cutters trim the separator back. So first we'll go through the toolless termination. You need to bunch the pairs back together and thread them through the toolless cap. Now untwist the pairs and then secure each wire into its correct colour-coded slot. Repeat this with each pair until all the wires are in their correct slots, and then, with side cutters, simply trim each wire. Grab your outlet and just making sure the colour-coded slots in the cap and the outlet are matching up. Clip the cap onto the outlet, it'll make an audible click. And then secure the closing pieces shut. This clicks securely into place. When using a multi-tool or 110 tool to terminate, after trimming the central separator, untwist each of the pairs. This time, you will place each of the wires into its colour-coded IDC in the outlet itself. Place the outlet in the tool to trim the wires. Using the alternative cap, clip the cap into place and straighten up the cable. Secure the closing pieces shut as before. For either method of termination, it's a good idea to further secure the closing pieces of the outlet using a cable tie around the base. The cable tie goes around the closing piece rather than the cable, so it's safe to use in this way. Job done.